So this is a short video on how to fix the common Toyota wobbly shifter problem. As you can see, now I'm in 4th gear and the shifter moves around quite a bit. The same is true for 3rd gear, 1st gear, 2nd gear, and pretty much all gears. Now this can be a bit annoying. Shifting gears is made more difficult when the shifter is like this, and in some instances it can even feel like you need a new transmission, but that in most cases isn't the case. The only problem is this little bushing right here. It's a plastic piece that goes under the shifter, and this wears out and makes the shifter wobbly. To get this thing fixed, all you have to do is remove the levers and the trim surrounding the levers. Depending on what Toyota you have, this procedure might be different. Mine is a 1998 Land Cruiser Prado, but this problem is also common on 4Runners, Toyota pickups like the older Tacomas, the Tundras, and even older pickups than that. Hilux will also probably be the same. Manual full-size Land Cruisers, basically most old 4x4 Toyotas. Now inside here we have a few bolts that need to be removed. So once you are here, there are 4 bolts down there which you need to remove. These right here, and then once you remove them, the whole shifter should just slide off. These bolts right here are 12 millimeters. The first ones were 10. So once you have it off, you want to give it a bit of a clean if it's full of oil like mine was, and then you want to find a way to remove the old bushing from this shaft and install the new one. If you have some type of lube, it will make it much easier to put this on, but I don't, so for now I'll try to just push it. And it just goes in really easily actually. So it's now time to put this back on and see if it has done any difference to the shifting. So has the shifter made any difference? It is definitely better, but it is not perfect. There is still some play in there, and the reason for that is that there are a few other bushings inside the actual shifter that you can replace, but they didn't have them in stock at my dealer, so I didn't replace them. If you do want to replace those, I will leave a link to a video by Dirt Garage in the comments down below where he replaces those bushings as well. If you replace all of them, your shifter should be like new. Mine isn't like new, but it is better than it used to be. So if you want to do the whole thing, check out that video. If you just want to do the little white bushing that I did, if that's the only one you can find, then thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.